Here we go. I just got myself a really good burrito. I'm looking forward to eating that. Headed to the river now. I have a 10 o'clock appointment to get taxied up the river. I'm lucky that my son's mom lets me have a day to get out and be outside and enjoy nature. She also has her time too, where she gets to have a day or a weekend and hang out with her friends and, you know, have fun. I think that should be healthy in every relationship, but to each their own. That's just kind of how we do it. You know, you also got to have that identity to you, you know, where yes, you have your family, you have your spouse, your children, but you also yourself, you know, you have your friends, and you got to be you sometimes, you know. So instead of doing that rat race that we're gonna do for the rest of our lives. But man, I wish I had some friends that were available today. I need to make some new ones. Everybody's busy, and, you know, sometimes they make the agreement to come, but then they back out. So I'm like, oh man, today's gonna be a solo kayaking adventure. So I use this company called Kelly Outfitters. Steve Kelly's a really cool dude. He's my boat guy. I do recommend him. About 80 bucks to get taxied up the river, and we're just gonna have some fun today. All right, here we go. Be a good day today. Put hot sauce in my burrito, babe. Oh, wow, look at that. It's probably not gonna eat that all. Just eat whatever I can. I'm really excited right now. I can't wait to get on the water. Good morning. Hey Steve, how you doing? Good, good. Nice to see you again. Let me give you the cash now, will I?
Are you going all the way up, or are you going to Petroglyphs?
We'll just go to Petroglyphs. Okay. 6 miles.
Thanks, appreciate you.
Yeah, thank you.
See what this other group is doing. I'll be right with you.
All right, good to go.
Side return to be out of the boat.
Steve, is that cooler fine back there?
Say again?
Is that cooler A-okay?
As long as it's secured with the top's not going to blow off.
Good.
Should be good. Alright, hold on to your hats. We're going for a boat ride.
Take flight. Yeah, really, man. It floats and flies. Flies, for sure.
So happy to be down here. Solitude. That's kind of what's going on today. Oh, my friends are busy. Oh man, I miss this. Just being back on the water. No distractions, nothing. This is the place I love to come to. Recenter myself. Go back home with clarity and a better mindset. Nature. Thank you so much. It's beautiful down here. So this is what you call Duck Island. Those guys over there trying to get out of a really shallow area where there's a bunch of underwater vegetation. And I'm just chilling on this kayak. So I guess this is my therapy, being out here and you guys listening to me. Look how green this is. Whoa, what is that? Man, it's so nice down here. I highly recommend it. Talk to this guy named Steve Kelly. He's the owner of Kelly Outfitters. Coming up to Horseshoe Bend, basically around this corner, if you look up, you will see all those people way up top looking down. So recently I had a phone conversation with two of my friends that I haven't really hung out with in person for such a long time. So Andrew and Marcus, we've been childhood friends, grew up together through middle school, high school, a little bit after high school, and then we just kind of, life happened, you know. But it was good. It was good catching up with them. It's been a long time. So Mark and Andrew, if you're ever interested, man, we can go kayaking and get you guys out of your comfort zone. That was kind of hard. It got windy again. Totally worth it though. All right, well, thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate your views.